Hello students, today we will discuss about adverb, uh, adverb and class for 6th, 5th, 4th and 3rd. Let's see what is adverb and its type. It's modify the meaning of a verb and adjective and another adverbs. Here is some example of adverb. Now let's see in detail. Read the sentence carefully. The deer runs quickly. An adverb end with ly, always end with ly, so that we can better understand adverb. The redwood tree was impressively tall. Here is also ly, ending with ly. It is a adverb. Any word end with ly are called adverb. And here is my father arrives late. Some exception, some words are not end with ly. The thieves run away. The works very hard. He works very hard. So here is quickly, impressively, late, away, very. These words are adverb because it's modify meaning of a verb and adjective and another adverb. So let's see its a kind. So as you know that what is adverb, and adverb is a word that modify the meaning of a verb and adjective and another word adverb in a sentence, and it tells also where, how and when action is takes place. Now let us see their types. How many types are there are? Nearly about 9 types of adverb. There is adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of reason, adverb of affirmation or negation, interrogative adverb and relative adverb. So student, let's see their definition with example in detail. So student, here is the types of adverb. So talking about adverb of manner. And what is adverb of manner? It tells us, it explains how an event or an action takes place. How an action, an event takes place. Like that, badly, carefully, fast, well. Now, adverb of manner. No, adverb of time. Here is a adverb of time. It tells us when something is done or happen. It tells us when something is done or happen. Already, as example, already, always, immediately, last month, now, soon, then, and yesterday. These are the example of adverb of time, and these are the example of adverb of manner. Here is a adverb of place. Adverb of place, and adverb of place tell us where an action is takes place. Where an action is takes place, and where something is done or happen, as above, below, here, outside, over, there, under, upstairs. Now here is the third adverb of degree. What is adverb of degree? It tells us the degree or extent to which something happens, as almost, much, nearly, quite, really, so, too, very, etc. So student, adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? It tells us how many times our action occurs. Occurs means take place. How many times are, like that, daily an action is happen, sometimes, often, seldom, usually, frequently, always, ever, generally, rarely, monthly. These are the example of adverb of frequency, and it tells us about adverb of frequency. These are the example of adverb of frequency. Now here is the interrogative adverb. It is used for asking question. It is used for asking question like that: why, when, where, how angry, and how often. So here is talking about relative adverb. What is the relative adverb? Relative adverbs refers back to the action. Refer back to the action in the sentence and modifies the verb, or they might modify the adjective. Like that: where, when, why. Here is the adverb of reason. It tells us, it expresses and tells the reason of the action, reason for the or purpose of an action, as therefore, hence, so. It tells us reason for action. So here is a adverb of affirmation or negation. It tells us the matter is positive or negative. It gives a positive or a negative response. Certainly, surely, never, definitely. So certainly, surely, never, definitely. These are the example of adverb of affirmation or negation. So thank you. Thank you watching this video, and I hope you understand that